Alright folks, we are back with another video, and as promised, I got the S25 Plus in the lab and we're doing some network testing. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus contains what I believe is the best cellular configuration, cellular capabilities in the game, right? I don't think anybody's doing it better. In my preliminary testing, it's been great. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys why it works so well with the Verizon 5G ultra-wideband network and the LTE network. So we got early AM testing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. We're on the Verizon Unlimited Ultimate plan. It's the best one you can get. And we're just testing from the main level. We're indoors. We're at about 1 mile in range. And we're going to start here with the 5G side of the network. And this is 5G ultra-wideband. You have two N77 channels, the 3700 frequency. One channel is 100 megahertz, the other is 40 megahertz, and then you get an additional carrier of N5, which is the low band, and that's 10 megahertz of it. All right, so full combination of 150 megahertz of bandwidth on SA5G. You'll see the speeds range between 600, mid 600s megabits per second for downlink, and then we're in the 50s and 60s for uplink, and it's a really good performer. To be honest with you guys, I don't really see much of a change in this particular testing compared to last year's device, only because, that this is not a range or a distance or an indoor situation where it really matters. So I don't really see much of an improvement there. On the LTE side, in this particular testing, I do see an improvement. So for this configuration for 4G LTE on Verizon, you've got 10 megahertz at band 5 or band 13. You'll get one of those low band carriers. You'll get 5 megahertz of band 2, the 1900 frequency, 20 megahertz of band 66, which is 1700, 2100 frequency. And then there's 80 megahertz of band 48, although it is very, very weak because the band itself is powered way down because it's a shared spectrum and the rules don't permit it to have high power or even be used on both sides of the network. It's downlink only. All right, so you're going to see that the upload is noticeably slower compared to 5G. That's the main reason why. So we'll see if that changes in the future. Obviously, Verizon doesn't have any control over that. But, it could happen. We could see a boost to band 48, especially when it goes to NR on the 5G side. Okay, so the second round of testing here shows a range of about, 300 for the top end. And we're in the upper 2s. Uplink, we're in the 20s. But it's a pretty good performer. Like I said, I don't really see the improvement to the downlink so much, but definitely to the uplink on the 5G side. And then with respect to LTE, I do see some improvement. Those speeds I got on LTE are very typical of what I used to get on the S24 on the upper level. So it matters on band 48 a lot in these types of scenarios. I'm going to do more testing. I'm going to test mmWave. I'm going to test N77, different ranges. I will tell you guys, the cellular performance is much improved over last generation Galaxy S24. But in this particular main level testing from that distance, it doesn't really seem to make that much of a difference. More to the LTE downlink in my estimation. But I've got AT&T, I've got T-Mobile and Boost testing in some other videos. I'll be sure to let you guys know when I upload those videos, and you guys can check those out and see how they perform. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Check out some more of our videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.